Hi everyone! In this video, we will talk about ANZ Platinum Credit Card. So ANZ Platinum Credit Card is tailored for individuals seeking a straightforward credit card that offers valuable benefits without the complexities of rewards program. And some of its key features are $0 for the first year for the annual fee, but subsequent years is $87. However, this fee is waived if you spend $20,000 or more on eligible purchases in the previous years. And next is the welcome offer. You receive a $100 credit when you spend $2,000 on eligible purchases within the first 3 months from approval. Next is the complimentary insurance. International travel insurance, including coverage for COVID-19 related events, domestic travel insurance, rental vehicle access insurance within Australia, and purchase protection and extended warranty insurance. Next is the interest rate. Purchase interest rate is $20.99. 20.99% PA interest rate. For the cash advance interest rate, it is 21.24% PA. Now, some additional benefits are access to Visa Entertainment and offers a discounts, compatibility within digital wallets such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Now, some of its pros are cost-effective, the first-year annual fee waiver and the potential for ongoing fee waivers make it an economical choice. Second, the comprehensive insurance coverage offers a suite for insurances beneficial for travelers and shoppers seeking added protection. Next is user-friendly. Simplifies the credit card experience by focusing on essential benefits without the complexity of rewards program. And some of its cons are: first, no rewards program. It does not accumulate points or rewards on spending, which may not appeal to those seeking such benefits. Second, high interest rates. The purchase interest rate is relatively high, making it crucial for payoff balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. Lastly is the foreign transaction fees. International transactions incur a 3% fee, which could be a drawback for frequent travelers. And some of the user feedback are: users have praised the card for its security features and customer service. One reviewer noted that the card's robust security measures, stating that the unauthorized transactions were promptly addressed and refunded within 10 days. Another user highlighted the card's comprehensive benefits, particularly the inclusion of domestic car rental access cover, which is rare among platinum cards. And that's basically it.